Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Sierra 2500 HD. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD has all your workhorse basics covered. No worries here. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, heated mirrors, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, steel wheels, integrated turn signal mirrors, tires front all season, tires rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.